Atlas Subluxation Complex, ASC. Now, what the heck is that? If you've been Googling your symptoms like a mild headache, neck pain, or mild vertigo, you might have come across this condition. It's a new condition that's coming up, and most people are very frustrated with their medical doctors. Usually, they've had different tests, x rays, MRIs, different blood work, and no one really knows what's going on with them. Well, you might actually have Atlas Subluxation Complex. If you're having a headache, especially back here from your head, feeling like a little bit of vertigo, tiredness, and no one seems to know what's wrong with you, what you need to do is find a specialty chiropractor. Now, what is this? So, what happens is when these top two bones in your neck, called your atlas and your axis, when they get stuck and they don't move the way they're supposed to, you can have headaches and neck pain and all kinds of problems. And this usually gets misdiagnosed or sometimes not diagnosed at all by different healthcare practitioners because they're really looking at some sort of pathology. But the reality is we're looking at your function. So what you need to do is you need to find a specialty chiropractor, also known as an upper cervical chiropractor. Now, that's what I do, and that's what we do at Atlas Chiropractic. So how do we help this complex, this subluxation complex? Well, what we do is first take an in-depth history of what's going on, to see if you had any head trauma in your past, any sort of stress, what you do for a job, figuring out what's been going on with your body the past few years. Then we do some very specialized orthopedic tests and thermography to check to see how your brain's functioning. Now, what we do to figure out how that bone up there is not moving or misaligned is we take biomechanical x-rays, meaning that we move your head from side to side to see how that joint is moving and most likely not moving. So we're trying to find the function of your body, the function of your neck, because if that's not moving, all these symptoms can happen. So once we figure out where you're having this issue and how you specifically need to be adjusted, we can apply very specific adjustments to your anatomy and the way that your neck has misaligned. So if you're having headaches and having neck pain and you've been to medical doctors and they don't know what's going on, you might have Atlas Subluxation Complex. And the only way to fix that is to go to a specialty chiropractor who is called an upper cervical chiropractor. So if you're having those issues, we'd love to help. We're in Boulder, Colorado. Go ahead and just give us a call. We'd love to get you in and get these symptoms taken care of. I'm Dr. Allison Bremner with Atlas Chiropractic.